The BMW has proved itself to be roadworthy. The battery has not died, no alternator issues at all, so I went ahead and bought some tires for it. They're literally the cheapest ones I could find, and even though they were cheap, they still cost me almost as much as the car did. But I got the car pretty cheap, so I can't complain. But we got the car jacked up, I got the rear wheels off, and I'm going to carry these out to the shop and show you how we change tires. So you know they're good. Alright, out here in the shop, do the rear tires first. Those are the new ones. These are the old ones, and some may say that it was time for replacement. Oh man. I think this is why I was having such a bad vibration. I think this tire is about to go. Other one, not terrible. Still bad though. I'm just going to put all 4 new ones on it and call it good. Here we got, what do they call it, a rim clamp. It's a Coates machine. These are my dad's. He made some investments, bought one of these, bought a balancing machine, and these have come in super handy. Very grateful that he lets me come out here and use these. So what we do is we're going to debead this tire, and we're going to stick it up on here and get it off the rim, hopefully. Haven't had trouble with one before, especially with this much sidewall, so we'll give her a go. It's extremely hard to do one-handed, it turns out. Do that a couple times on each side and be ready to throw on the next part. Kick this guy. Swing the arm over. Line her up right there. Cinch it down. Ready to roll. Probably won't be able to do this one-handed, so what you do is you stick the bar in here. Like so. You pry it. I don't even know if I can show you with one hand. You pry it up over this guy. Hold on. Like so. Look at that brand new tire. Oh yeah. Push the button. One side done. Pop this guy up, hopefully. Oh gosh. Alright, I'll put it down. Got the other side through and up, and then hit the same button again. Just like that. Tire's off. Now we'll lube up this other guy. Lube them up, stick them on. Now the tire's on, all you gotta do is put some air in it, let it bead, or set the bead. It's extremely hard to do with one hand, hold on. One, hopefully I'll do one more. That last side didn't seat. There it goes. Maybe. Moses, that was loud. And I got a little much in there. Let's let some out. Actually, I'll grab the valve stem and let it leak out while I... Now to get them balanced, I found the right hub size for this. So that fits the wheel. I set this up. It asks for this number here, which is this measurement. So it varies based on your wheel. Width says on my wheel it's 7 wide. And the diameter is 15. And then we're only putting weights on, when it says static, only putting weights on the inside of the wheel, so there's none on the outside. And that is it. We grab this guy, throw her up on here. Maybe. Okay. Let me throw this on there. Center down. And we'll hit start. See what it tells us. Yikes. It's a lot. So we'll spin the tire around till it blinks like that. See that blinking right there? That means that's where the weight needs to go. So we'll find a weight of that and smash it on there. I guess my dad found a box of these on eBay, the flat rate box. So we got a plethora of them. Just need to find one. See, that one's a 1.75. I guess when you find one that's, wow, that's big. That's what she said. 3 something, that's way too big. How about this guy? 2.5. That's close. Oh, it's the wrong one. See, oh, it's all smashed. That's garbage. It's too bad. How about this one? 3.0. Maybe we'll throw that on there. Or this one. This one's a 2.25. I'm going to find one close. Smash it on. 2.25. And spin it. Sometimes it'll suffice if you get one decently close enough. Let me throw one of these 2.25s or a 2. I don't even know what that is. Not even labeled. Or a 2.5 on it. What's that one? 2.0. Let's throw that on, see what happens. So I'm not going to be able to do it, but line it up like this. Get the, oh, that's the wrong one. I don't think that's going to work. And generally just get the hammer out and pound it on, but that is not tight at all. I think that's the wrong type for this wheel. Because some wheels need ones that look like this. Others have other styles. Maybe it just needs tightened down right here. But either way, that one's not going to work. So what was this one? No label. Cool. What about... what's this guy? 2.75. Hey! It's a 2. Smash that on, see what happens. Right there. Let's start again. See if it likes it. .25. I'm not going to stress about 0.25, but if I can find one, we'll put it on. Otherwise, we'll call it done and do the front two. That's the basics of running a balancer. Like, if you got one of your own or looking to buy one, they're really simple. What's this one? 0.5. Yeah, we'll just call it good.